Chinsa Ikomi umoncho muligereria chiabono maragoba inga kienengo kualigania hasemesa ya mwana Amayia senchira yobwenge litukone likomi aso mwako yega bwechiri bubere na merongevere nebere kakene okumanyira tabana tego kualigania litukulia Jumatatu mutino mutangani koroiga Ndizi TV asemesa ya mwana Amayia naraliya togendere tego kualiganiria ayoge koragensemo ndacho okumanya senchira yeli wakolenda sabonti yanko ya Amayia senchira yobwenge ritirane nkruko Vincent Onyancha. Abarayibalya bakoligia ibirugo anene asobocholi bomwako yegani gobono baboli gwekoene kibuna chinkwano chiabo nchiri koleto gweta na osenchiri gosegeta chimbwa chimbe anene asorongoro gusi oyokoligie kerokyo bo governor cross county ya Kisii musubatire chotundo nigaboli abarayabu koene kinankobwatira nabale anene koleto mulembe libagadio goturubania omulembe nigo chinga kiechio tundo aboli abasaye na barubukwirenda
Rael Otundo okoligie kerokyo bo governor Kisii County 2022. Igonte tega bana chikura ngo chikoba chire na ndente kubolia bali aspirants tukuligina barabo chikura kiro muntati kiro muntu ndi space linanyale kuligi chikura chiaye na mangana itali tukunya gukwana kuri umunwa atunya pime lineta basuko twetania anta basukwetania abantu baitu anta basukwata sections at the secret to kora chikura anega tokana nonye na matanga and various parts mwaligire no muntu gotanere kya muntu naro kwa ndugura abantu bacha go disturb no nyumega osabacha go disturb no na matanga y'umuntu bacha go wese nchama itenga tabwati kenda gocha gukwana ocha bacha kumwakira chinkobi wana dendo bintu mune bigo mbitake yenyo muntu kana matanga y'umuntu gagende bujego no bwororo na luru no bwororo tokore byasara birabe byekira abantu bari bakora ntunga mujikugerera umuntu onde abantu mujiku support yo onde which is very wrong yakira umuntu awe special none governor ito ekurukungwa yesterday na tebetenga ngako akira umuntu space ilinde akora chikura chaira ntari gutowa a particular candidate yako charanga nero yatagete ikiagera osenero yako support ka tebetenga will give environment that is good for everybody to do business.
Gotigana na roboti rwibura niganyara koene kiwase skuru ya nyanturago igotoka se nyamasibi nyalibali masaba kera meyo elikonyara gochora weskuru eyo
so nyansogero e parent ya nyanturago primary school ronto bwa toba chori bwa ko election tuwa chorete lakini nande bokaba na verified nabo bisaguru education board Masimba bato ya sababu ende ba korete na education ya election tuwa korete because nanda bantu bira namba libalia ebono ekara to korengera ntuka banyane go twanyora nga ebatagete gotanga egere ntoji ko siora obubisi bori bwo bokurumi bori se school school ya Nyanturago primary school ge bwa to bokurumi bo bwa trene to kurwa obisa balimu paka be board bono mo chairman we school bono mo chairman we school igago imuko to gorere suguria ekorukunga 100,000 of which ekara to gokora analysis to nyore suguri gere 10,000 shillings Kenyan money obo kurumi bori Nyanturago primary school igoto ko rwendagera ya bana nande yaibwo kegima abu ya chikoni
Uboigo hoyo kuligie kirokyo bo governor Cross county ya Kisii osoyo mwasari bakuligie kiroge kyo Chris Obure ni gobono aumerana watani bali bakomoko bokuru asensemo ya South Mugirango Obure ni gate abunani gabe kremero bilisaine elikone kibunango cyareko irekero bo governor asobo choli bogo chakolikana umwakoyo
Gonda itote abanga tuwachaga iga somuchioyo asinge nchiyo jagwate banga oyo mbinto mosike Chris Obure naiseine orara county ya Kisii ekiagera ere obeira se government matuka mange nabwata a lot of experience na ende is a good planner enga kie to iso komo abone county eye we are very sure nga wikatosuke chi atua chi nyingi unabagusi na kubwa mono unabagirango tuachirega komo amagoro ngano toli maiga yaye ekiagera twaligereire twarorere nga naiseine
bono muntu twachorire buno mugirango Chris Obure atokonye esibuno mugirango atoro sedie factory eri ne university ne chigwari chatabaka tokonye kene jipara
narorire obosi bwabagaka abaiga na abana baito banchiranire munango ngosira toro mugaka Obure tomuo obogambi oboiga atogambira ese obogambi bwaito atokonya story meire binto mire bito chandete totabwati ekero twakerigereiri twari na tomokonye na baratokonye muno omonto ominto nando okorire obogambio bamatuka amange origereiri bosio na baratokonye
na gotigana no roboti rwa matuka makema igaye kiombe kyobochori ne chimbibe IEBC kurali bunanga kigo cha kolikia abantu saba kichukura sentunde ya kabere ocha kristal ki 15 na ibiru mutinyo yo ikachitali ki 5 ne mutinyo kabere nigobono omuliki bwe kiombe kya gusi governance watch recho tundo anyarega koboli abantu ko ne kinangwe soki baraso bunge anasorongo rwa gusi kone kuna beliki ligo chiwaka chikura bunenchire ya moyo gochikonyolege tali ya serikali nigo chinga kicho otundo anyarega koboli abasa nekia mbali gotumekuwa soko lenta chiburaburu
BC njao na onsetia mangana registration of voters ekobana ande the second round ekobon 17th yonde dikubuli bali once bata beta registered usibali ba 18 within these few months mo ene mwezi mo register ekura nere ko gochorero murai no murai nere go determine no bugima bwo kogenderera gochibusi abo in terms of development and the economy and tsaite ko tebanga china amba chitu nentu na bagusi dotegete ntu chimente chibya chinyingi la twanyole ko nyole shenene the national cake okuligererigwa in accordance to how many votes kwale begete naye a basket kusirenga wagete. Because that is very important and abantu bali sikuisi kora barabwo itaba gusinchuze itoga gusibwa tira chikuroro mna abantu bakora bagenda sobo rini turanyala ko abangi nabali bako chenchikura chichenchi gocha yali turanyale kubwenera taba basai ko muranche tiga gutume kwa century rembe ntoma yetenga moko ba paid to do what you want to do lakini tutaite ko teba igana ni mubaso kwancha koleta furugu osekurwanira omuntu osekuogerera omuntu ronekera kwanle point tiga kore inwe gasine onyo mwa gwe gasi omuntu bae gasi let him pay you mokore gasi ai nari mukore gasi without affecting another person then umo basukurwana ikiagara into abana siasa nturaleta abana baito bachikurwana isegi cha siasa so why should we be used onyore kwa kule busa ose kwa umire busa na ando ntayo chiko care about you so tuyaturirie mangana abya na nta totebya basaiga oburai bo chorwa your life is just starting into mabo itombo kendete ko racing nchi myaka itonko arere so nini mugwente ko ba more interested or more concerned asoko chora baraya baya gutugwegia nini muko uri napki numutete kwa gache nyumba nini numutete maisha guchaka bono economy nini will affect more than some of us so bono this time wabasai beka mangana ndonsi kando muligeriringa barai kimo chora baya who are able to bring change and make your life different from the way it is.
Umuraiwe kiama kia ama National Congress ANC Musalia Mudavadi niganyarega kwegerera ogwikirana kwa museneta Okakamega Cleophas Malala asomo yiko kolekanete sensemo Eldoret mi county wazinigisho omoyego yo banete tamo umuraiwe kiama osomurayo omokonyo umuraiwe nse William Ruto au yubo ase kiama gya yude kia ikiranete igomsalia ate birubu nko ikirana kwaye Malala ngobwa timo cholinde lyonsi nakoganibuna abantu bonsi banyali bagali gwikirana ase misangirekano ende not
hold anything against Senator Malala. It is within his rights. I listened to the remarks that he made there, and I don't think he made any remarks that would in any way be inimical to this country.
I am only answerable to two entities. One, my party leader, Musalia Mudavadi, and the people of Kakamega. And if my party leader is not offended by my presence in Eldoret, nobody else should be offended. Nobody else should mourn more than the bereaved. I will continue championing for the interests of Musalia Mudavadi moving 2022 to ensure that he is in the correct team that is going to form government.
Kerokeria hobochori bogendete goro buli gochigokolekana omwako yigo mutinyo gatano na gatatu esemo sensemo ya Nairobi tigara maiga aniga goche kerokeria abara ikorwa nsemo ya Western Kenya abanyareko moko boko omobunge Western ensemo ya Nairobi Westlands Timothy Wanyonyi oyote birubu nango cyale koliye kerokyo bogavana county yo abara ya ubechi kanisa ni kwa moiroko bukona gote yabuna abwente gwakirichukura na kobo murai osoko mugavana we county ya Nairobi.
2022 is going to be decided by the church. Yes. We are going to make decisions. We have kept quiet for so long. Yes. And we have realized as we keep quiet, things are going wrong. Yes. And people are blaming us. And in fact, we apologize to Kenyans. Indeed, we've been quiet and things have gone wrong. But they can now count on us. From this election moving forward, the church will always stand in and give direction where it should give, and give recommendation where it should give. Like in this case, we don't want Nairobi to be a place where people come to sample their leadership skills. No. If you are not tested from outside there, if we cannot trust you from where you are, please don't come to Nairobi.
Mimi safari yangu inaanza na nyinyi. Mkiniwekea hiyo upako vile Samuel aliwekea Saul na akakuja akawekea Daudi. Safari yangu itakuwa mzuri sana. Si ndio? And I know nothing can limit us. We can achieve it. And if God says yes, mtu mwingine hata akikuja na pesa kiasi gani hawezi kutushinda. Si ni kweli? Na mimi naamini kwa sababu nimepikana hizi vita, nimepikana na watu wamekuja na pesa mingi sana. Mimi siko na hiyo pesa, lakini tumeshindana na nimeuza sera zangu na sera yangu imenipita.
Na gotikana no oroboti ro asega ke myake bere bono chiskuru asense ya Buganda hiko chiabere chisiekire chiskuru hiko chiasiege tu umutinyo gatatu mwaka wekiri ubere na 20 kubwatekana no gwateka kwebinyi bya COVID-19 chiskuru ekiko cyara kwigoro gochakara litukulia lero inse yobole ndio botinde nabo igoma chiko yogo tango kurana kwa COVID-19 naye nabo ni go chiskuru awono chibekeire ense ya muye karantini go isolation center ase ondo bonsera chikoro ke imanyiro byobore wa COVID-19 ni barabe bakobekwa kolengana nobotene bw'chiskuru niko bateberubuna bachikanekya emiroberi yonsi yogo tango kuranda ko binyi bya COVID-19 sense ya Buganda bonongokire kubwati go bwikere no magi chiskuru ekikoigurwa aseka kemya kebere bono.
Even the students themselves, they have really felt the impact and they have been very eager to come back to school. So even some of them were so much pressurizing parents, asking all the time when they could return to school. So I believe this time, each and every student, including every worker within the school setting.
The system is in the health department. We have the biostatistician who will enter the data. We will collect information about the children on daily basis from every school. That means we are going to provide a tool that where the schools cannot have the ICT, we will use the hard copy, collect information. This information is entered into the data. So if I am here, I want to know the status of school in Kasese, in Karamoja, I will just click open, I will get to know how the school is doing in terms of COVID prevention and control.
And they have now the tools to report these symptoms as and when they detect them. And most importantly, schools will be guided on having a separation, an isolation room or a space where they will ask students or staff who are showing these symptoms to stay away from the rest of the learners and the rest of the staff until the health professionals take the necessary measures, including the PCR testing and any other necessary thing.
Oroboti urukuru sense ya Buganda buna chiskuru cyabari kisiye kirase ka kemyake bere bono kuru mutinyo gatatu mwaka wekiri hube na 20 igorogo twambuke ikasense mo ye chigo sori muwaziri otenete chiko sori se county ya Nyamira Dr. Grace Nyamongo nigate bere buna serikali ye county ya Nyamira na sense mo chiko sori nigo ya bekiremero biri elikone kibuna sense mo chiko sori nkonyalere gokini wa anane asokorosi wa kegeti kiamanga ikigotoka se county ya Nyamira.
Ebiti ebinchera birekorosibwa. For example, egeti kia manga nkoera kere bwangoiga egere kebeta yare asemecheso bono ekigetigarete oburayo butarachikoba sports marathon iyego chigo chaka koruche birate 21 kilometers koruche birate tokorere ikonge na chitari kinche chitangaswe igo bwangoiga nga indi chigo chakoba sports chindi chigo marathon indi ego chakoba buna chitari kichirigo tangaswe ndekana kuyarigania egere munyare koba mogocha goshindana nabande marathon igeigoreire abantu bonsi ensengima igotaye ya Nyamira yoka igerabe bwango igekero chitari kichigotangaswa.
Maiga ye timu ya Gusii FC goitwa se wako chigorinye asensemeri ya Mombasa ni timu ya Coastal Heroes osekobwa chigorinye igomori banyarete konyebwa boigo timu ya Naivas egosori ya kolekante asegeti ya Kambito yoyo. Mwanjumuligereria yonsi igare ase enchera yobwenge nyorage kuragense mo yabono maragoba ingena ndase mese ganyara gukumanya ayomo nanda mange ase enchera yelibo bali mwensi tobotera na semese ya mangana maya kubakirambye mono nayo muligereria sogo chora ko yatengera kurwa Ndizi TV modo mangana maya senchera yobwenge iretira nenkuru ko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusa.